Ever pondered the complex interplay between law and society? How do societal values, principles, and constructions shape our legal frameworks? And in turn, how does legal enforcement affect social conduct and structures? Today, we dive headfirst into this fascinating interaction, enlightened by perspectives from Thomasic's insightful study. We'll also explore how this groundbreaking body of work guides readers to understand that law is not merely a collection of rules or directives. Rather, it's a product birthed from societal dynamics, structures, and principles. Thomasic's work masterfully underscores how legal systems are more than impartial judges. They are reflective surfaces that echo and perpetuate societal disparities, power dynamics, and cultural standards. Examining this will augment our understanding of the intricate relationship between law and society. Let's delve into the heart of the sociology of law by Thomasic by exploring its chapters. The first chapter serves as an introduction, setting the stage for the sociological examination of law. It challenges us to view law not merely as a set of rules, but as a social phenomenon intricately tied to societal norms and values. Chapter 2, Law and Social Change, delves into the dynamic relationship between law and societal transformation. It discusses how law can be both a driver and a product of social change, a theme we'll continue to explore in this video. Third chapter, Law and Social Control, examines how law serves as a tool for maintaining societal order and controlling behavior, while the fourth chapter, Law and Dispute Resolution, discusses the role of law in resolving conflicts, maintaining peace, and ensuring justice. In Chapter 5, Law and Social Justice, Thomasic scrutinizes the role of law in promoting or impeding social justice. It highlights how legal systems can reflect and perpetuate societal inequalities and power dynamics. Chapter 6, Law and Globalization, discusses the global impact and adaptation of legal systems. It explores how globalization influences law and how legal systems must adapt to a rapidly changing global context. Each chapter offers a unique lens to view the interplay between law and society, making the sociology of law a compelling read for anyone interested in the sociology of law. This comprehensive exploration of the subject matter sets the stage for our continued discussion of the intricate dance between law and society. Envision a society as a symphony orchestra in perfect harmony, where each individual is playing a part. The law in this metaphor is akin to the conductor guiding the symphony and maintaining order. Yet the conductor is not an entity, but an integral part of the orchestra. It is influenced by the musician's skills, the audience's reactions, and the ambience of the concert hall. This relationship, the complex interplay between law and society, just as the performance of a symphony is shaped by its conductor, the musicians, and the audience, so too is the law shaped by the society it governs. Law is not an abstract entity that exists in a vacuum. It reflects the values, beliefs, and power dynamics prevalent in the society it governs. Now consider the intricate dance between law and society, where changes in one often spark changes in the other. For instance, a shift in societal values can lead to new laws, and conversely, new laws can shape society by influencing behavior and setting societal norms. This symbiotic relationship underlines the significance of law in society and the society's role in shaping the law, reminding us that the two are inseparably interwoven, influencing and being influenced in an ongoing dance of change and adaptation. Reflect on the intricate evolution of legal systems throughout history, shaped and transformed by varying societal shifts. The eradication of slavery, women's suffrage, and civil rights movements have all carved lasting impacts on global legal systems. However, understanding how these societal shifts occurred requires a critical and interdisciplinary approach towards studying law. We must realize that law is not an isolated entity, but is intrinsically connected and influenced by domains such as sociology, political science, anthropology, others. It's the shifts in power dynamics, cultural norms, and the tireless quest for equality by valiant individuals and groups, all the while intertwined with these academic fields that influence and shape the legal systems. As you flip the coin, consider this: the law doesn't just shape society, it's also shaped by it. It's a regulatory force, maintaining order and mediating conflicts, but it's also a tool that reflects and perpetuates social hierarchies and dynamics. As we learn to question conventional assumptions about law and legal systems, we uncover its true nature as a mirror society holds up to itself. The image it reveals can often uncover uncomfortable truths about social inequality and power relations. Furthermore, it asks to explore the influence of broader social phenomena on legal processes and outcomes, encouraging us to understand and challenge the status quo and leverage change. The role of dance in society is not restricted within the confines of national boundaries. As catalysts of change, globalization, technology, and social movements drastically influence the evolution and dynamics of legal systems. They blur the previously well-defined borders and present a challenge to the conventional norms. In this context, the law plays a significant role. It must adapt and evolve to these changes, reflecting the mutating global society that it aims to serve. Not only does it serve as a mirror to society's changes, but it also has profound implications for social justice and equality. The potential for legal systems to both reflect and challenge prevailing social norms and structures is immense. The dance of law, thus, attests to the fluid nature of societal change and its role in promoting a more equitable global society. What are the key insights we gather from this journey into the sociology of law? It uncovers that law isn't merely a compilation of rules. It is a pulsating, evolving structure molded by society, and in return, molding it is born from social constructs, dynamics, and principles. To comprehend this intricate liaison, it calls for a deep, probing, and cross-disciplinary approach, challenging preconceived notions and delving into how society at large shapes law and is shaped in return. Embrace this thought-provoking lesson on the societal role of law from the sociology of law. Understanding the delicate balance between law and society is pivotal for our self-awareness and comprehension of the world we dwell in. It is this ceaseless ballet of influence and adaptation that is a mirror to our identity, our convictions, and our evolution as a society. Delving into the depths of this intricate relationship, this dynamic dance, if you will, is an integral step towards understanding our own selves and the world around. Voiceover. As we delve deeper into the dynamic interplay between law and society, one work consistently emerges as a beacon of insight: The Sociology of Law by Roman Thomasic. This seminal work remains strikingly relevant in today's society for a multitude of reasons. Thomasic's exploration of the social dynamics underpinning legal systems offers an indispensable lens for understanding the complexities of law in our increasingly interconnected world. His insights into how legal institutions operate within societal contexts enrich our comprehension of law in practice. Secondly, in an era where social justice and inequality are at the forefront of global discussions, Thomasic's exploration of how law intersects with social structures to either perpetuate or challenge injustice remains pertinent. His work prompts us to critically examine how we can harness legal systems to address societal inequalities. Thomasic's examination of how legal systems respond to global challenges and transnational issues influenced by the effects of globalization continues to resonate in the contemporary world. His work offers valuable perspectives on how law adapts to shifting social, economic, and political landscapes. Thomasic's interdisciplinary approach to understanding law's relationship with society encourages us to draw from diverse fields such as sociology, political science, and anthropology. This holistic perspective remains invaluable in analyzing legal phenomena comprehensively. Finally, the book's exploration of contemporary legal debates, such as the role of technology in law, the impact of social movements on legal change, and the challenges of globalization, remain pertinent in navigating the complexities of current legal landscapes. In conclusion, The Sociology of Law by Roman Thomasic continues to offer valuable insights into the complex interplay between law and society, making it an enduringly relevant resource for scholars, students, and practitioners who wish to understand and critically engage with legal systems. Voiceover. While The Sociology of Law by Roman Thomasic is a seminal work in the field, it is not without its criticisms. Readers may find the book's dense theoretical frameworks and academic language challenging, particularly those without a background in sociology or law. Complexity, while providing depth, can potentially act as a barrier to understanding for some. Addition, the book predominantly focuses on Western legal systems, potentially limiting its applicability to non-Western contexts. This Eurocentrism may skew perspectives and limit the book's universal relevance. The book may exhibit a bias towards certain theoretical frameworks, potentially neglecting emerging perspectives that could offer fresh insights into the sociology of law. Critique points to the book's possible lack of empirical depth. Its theoretical analysis is rich. It may not provide sufficient empirical research or case studies to ground its theories in real-world contexts. Given the evolving nature of law and society, the book may require regular updates to stay relevant. These criticisms, The Sociology of Law by Thomasic, remains a valuable resource for understanding the complex interplay between law and society, highlighting the need for continual dialogue, critique, and adaptation in the field.